In life, we try to mitigate risks. We do it by buying insurance, we do it by going to doctor's appointments, we go to the dentist, we do lots of things to protect things that are important to us. And I don't think that that should be something that we skimp on when it comes to our phones, especially whenever you're talking about the new iPhone 11 and you're talking about $1,000 plus price tag. So you want to make sure you have the best. And the SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro was rated as the winner of the Drop Test Award for CNET for this last year. So I think it definitely is a case that deserves a first look and even a second look when it comes to the brand new iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. And today I'm here with the Unicorn Beetle Pro for the iPhone 11. The brand spanking new iPhone 11 announced today. Now, SUPCASE was kind enough to send this out for me to review. I've reviewed a lot of the Unicorn Beetle Pros in the past, and they've got a lot of winning qualities that I really like, not just winning the Drop Test Award, but they've got the TPU bumpers, it's shock absorbing, it's got a built-in kickstand, you can use it horizontally or vertically, they're wireless charging compatible, and they've got the really cool holster that you can attach to your backpack, you can put it on your belt, pretty much wherever you want. It's got that nice clip on there, and then of course it's got the built-in screen protector, so you get the true 360-degree wraparound security, and then you've got the dust covers that go over the mute switch and also the power port on the bottom. So this case has it all. It has drop protection, it has life protection, so you don't have to worry about it. If you've got pockets, you can carry it. If you don't and you've got a belt, you can wear it that way. There's so much flexibility with this case to keep your phone protected, which is ultimately what we want to do. Now, at the time of making this video, I don't have the pricing information on it, but it should be around $25, $28, which is typically what they have been in the past. Here is the installation guide if you need it. It's pretty straightforward and easy to take the case on and off of your phone. It is a traditional two-piece style case, so it has the phone tray, which is built into the screen protector, and you can see right there that little notch. They say you use a coin, a penny, whatever. You can use your fingernail. It's pretty easy to go ahead and take it apart, so you don't have to worry about any of that craziness. And it's nice, it's sturdy, and you can see there it's got the openings for the buttons, so you can look through and see that it's installed properly. So make sure you put the phone in there, line it up, and once you do that, you can look through those windows, see that the buttons are in there seated properly, the phone should stay in place, and then you want to apply it with the bottom part going in first. So down where the dust cover, the charging port, put that in first. There's thinner material down there, and it can cause problems if you put the top in first. So once you put the bottom in, put the top in, and then work your way around the edges, making sure that you push and seal the edges of the case. And then Bob is your uncle. So it's super easy. All you have to do is follow those simple steps. Now you've got your recessed cutout protection on the back for your triple camera setup, so that's really nice. It's a nice new feature they added into the iPhone 11. You want to make sure it's protected. You can see that there's even protection there, and there's cutouts for the sensors for Face ID, so you don't have to worry about that messing up. And then you've got the phone screen, that little tray that goes around the edge of the screen, plus it's recessed as well, so you get protection in the event that you want to place your phone down on a flat surface. You can try and keep those scratches and damage off of the screen protector and ultimately your screen. And then you have the kickstand. It does work vertically like this, and then you can turn it sideways, and it works horizontally as well. So it's super flexible to use it in two different positions, and it's easy to open and close. The buttons are nice and responsive. This serrated grip on the sides is really nice. It's got great grip on it, so you're helping to stop drops before they happen by adding that grip on there, so you don't accidentally have any slips where the phone falls out of your hand. It does have a little bit of anti-skid protection, but it's not as good as some other cases, so you want to be careful with that if you place it down on any surface, like a console in your car or things like that. Now it's easy to get to the mute switch. I do like that they added the dust cover there, and then the buttons on the volume are not as responsive as the power button, but they're still solid. And then you got the cutouts for the speaker down on the bottom, and then the charging port as well. It's a little deep there, so you're gonna have trouble getting any sort of oversized connector into there. The power cable is probably gonna be about it, or a dongle. But overall, it's got a really nice look to it. I like the little carbon fiber effect that they have there. It looks very industrial and tech savvy at the same time. It really is kind of a sexy case. It's got a lot of angles and lines, and then of course, like I said, they've got the holster that goes along with it as well. So it's a super cool case. Comes in several color options. I've got the blue one and the black one here. There's going to be some other colors available once it launches today, so you'll be able to see that as well. And then here's another quick breakdown so you can see it again. All you have to do is press the little indentation on the bottom right, separate the screen tray with the screen protector from the main body, and you're good to go. It breaks down that easy and that simple. Alright, so that's all I've got on the SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro for the brand new iPhone 11. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. If you like the video, hit the like and the subscribe button, hit the little notification bell, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.